Morning, Wolfpack. How you guys doing this morning? How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing? How was your day yesterday? I'm just gonna pull up this screen here. Okay, I'm gonna have a quick look at some stocks here. I just wanted to I haven't had a look this morning. I just got in here. Just got into the studio. It's cold in here this morning. Holy wow. Pretty much is every morning, but it's getting colder. So we had a little bit of a pull up yesterday. Look here. Look. Yeah, it went up a little bit. A little bit higher than when we went in. Not bad. It's a nice little bowl here. Right there, that's nice right there. Entry point right there. Cool. Right on, right on. Okay, let's have a look at some other stuff here. We're up higher than most of the stocks across the market. Pre-market. Okay, I'll leave that alone there for you guys to watch there. Okay, there's enough people in here now. I must get into this. Okay, good morning, Sanjay. Christopher. Jay. Good morning, guys. Yeah, there's I pinned a message up on the top of the chat board there about the videos for Sanjay there. Good morning, T. Jonathan, good morning. Good. I see some videos coming in there into our for a video. That's good. Thanks, guys, for participating. I really appreciate that. It means a lot to me. That's all I ask is little things like that. They go a long ways, right? Morning, Jamal. Alfred, good morning. Crypto Wolf, good morning. Mr. Al, good morning, brother. Ryan, good morning. Right on, guys. And to everybody else is in the back office hanging out, having their coffee, waking up. Ooh, that's good this morning. It's a mixture of two different coffee creamers. I had a little bit left in one, so I opened some Irish cream and what was it? Southern pecan. It's good. That mixture, they should make something like that. Just looking at the screen here. Got my screensaver on the tint to take the blue light out. That's why it's a little yellow looking this morning. Good morning, Ron. Welcome to the channel. So, guys, before we jump, what do we got? A couple. Oh yeah, we got lots of time here. I've already set up our other channels, our links and stuff on there. Oh no, I have one thing to do actually. There's a problem; it wasn't letting me in. I'll try it again in a minute. So we're gonna switch the times in the morning now. I got that contract, so I start Monday morning. So it's a brand new shop too. I'm working out of the shop. They want me in the shop building a bunch of stuff. So yeah, it's awesome. I couldn't believe it. I went in the shop and I was like, oh. The size of these cranes. Like I said to the owner, I'm like, you do not know the stuff I can build for you. Anything. This is huge. 2 huge gantry cranes, man. You could build 2 spaceships in there. It's huge. It's awesome. So anyways, I'll just think about the time I'm going to start yet. I haven't, it's like so new that I haven't even had time to do that. I've had so many other things I had to do. I have to go into my, as you guys know, I have a 40-foot sea can, like I've showed you on my videos before, and it's full of welding stuff, all my tools and stuff. I got to go in there and do an inventory and pull out a bunch of tools. So I'll be pretty busy after today. So I'll think about it. Just give me 20 minutes or whatever. And what I'll do is I'll get a time that we're going to start. I'll figure it out with everybody and just pass it by you all and tell me what you guys think. It's going to be a little earlier. The jobs, like the shop that I'm fabrication shop that I'm going to be working at is only, which is awesome. I'm not working out of town. Things have changed. So anyways, they found like I went through my tickets and stuff. They were going to send me out of town at first, right? As you guys know, a different contract actually, but I went through my tickets and stuff, and he's like, "Oh my God, you're a Canadian Wellbeing Bureau supervisor. You have the government ticket?" And I said, "Yeah, I've had it for a while." He's like, "Oh my God, can you certify my shop?" And I said, "I don't do that. That's illegal, but I'll certify my work that comes out, my welds and stuff." And he's like, "Really? You'll put your name on them and certify it with your number?" And that's the whole idea of the ticket. But I'm not going to certify other people's welds because I'm not the one welding it. He's like, "Well, I like how honest you are." And I said, "Well, yeah, I'll lose my ticket if I don't do that." So anyways, he's like, "Well, do you want to work in a shop?" I was like, "Hell yeah." So yeah, it worked out good. We talked for about an hour and a half. Yeah, crazy. So anyways, bottom line is it's 8 minutes from my house. 8 minutes. 9 minutes if I do the speed limit. So anyways, guys, it is what it is. I told you guys I would be very transparent with you guys, so I know it doesn't affect the squeeze at all. Like I said, I'm 8 minutes from my studio. So, and the thing is full Wi-Fi signal or full signal there. Plus they got Wi-Fi out of the office. I've already asked. I said that was one of the criterias that I need high-speed internet access to it. I didn't tell him why because it's none of his business, but so anyways, let's get into it. I'm just gonna throw this key over here to this other channel here so we can have some an access for people to log into. Well, thanks guys. Thank you. No, Jay, no, that's my personal business, man. For the amount of money he's paying me, I keep certain things private, man. It is what it is. I have my personal thing, right? I don't know. Two of the guys that were in the shop. Oh, what did I do? That's weird. That was weird. Two of the guys, I look because there's a big window, and then you look into the shop. It's like fucking huge, man. It's like the size of an Amazon building, right? So, anyways, and I'm running the whole shop pretty much. I have two upper bosses on the upper tier, but it is what it is. I trump them with the authority because I have the qualifications. They don't, but that doesn't mean anything really. I don't throw that card out there. But anyways, so yeah, the two of the guys that one of the guys down there used to be my boss when I was 20 years old. Now his boss. I'm 3 tiers above him, which is fine. But we didn't leave on good terms. When he's gonna shit when I walk in there with back my truck up and unload all my tools into the section because I got the whole one corner's mine. So he's gonna trip, man. It's gonna be funny. I'll be civil about it, but yeah, he might not like that. He might be looking for a new job because he's kind of like that. He has more now. He has competition. Well, not really, but anyways, it is what it is. Okay, hi Gloria. Oh, hi Gloria. So, anyways, I'll definitely shoot some videos of the shit, man. I'll show you some of the stuff I'm building. So, anyways, guys, yeah, let's do that. I was just thinking about that one thing here. Oh, hang on. Oh, the soundtrack disappeared. Sorry, guys. There you go. Mark it open. Fuck. How did that disappear? What the hell? It says it's not available. Anyways, there you guys go. You heard my feeblish attempt for a yell. I can't do it as good as the Ape Father. I just don't have the big lungs like that. And plus, yeah. He can sure let that out there. Okay, what the... Weird. I'll figure it out later on, guys. I'm not going to mess with that right now. That's crazy. Crazy. Okay. So anyways, we'll post our thing over here. Can I turn the volume up? Is it low? On the Howl? I don't have any volume. Oh. If you guys can't hear me that here, if you guys can't hear me like the volume on the microphone is because I have filters in there. I'll check it out right now, actually. Just give me a second, guys. Here, I'm gonna move this chart here for you guys first. Just give me a minute here. Just give me a minute. I'll check something here. I put filters in there because when I cough, it's really loud, man. Like I was listening to it in my truck the other day, afterwards the stream. And yeah, wow, holy shit. So I'm just knowing that there's a lot of people using earbuds and headphones, right? At work, especially our forklift drivers and stuff, that there's a bunch of them. Which, fuck, that would be loud. Your microphone? Okay, just give me a second, guys. Is everybody else having that problem, or is it just JP? Should be loud, right? Okay, just give me a second here, my friends. Why does this fucking phone take so long to load all the time? Just give me a second, guys. Internet connection's down. That's weird. Probably just you. Yeah, dude, because I'm no, those filters enhance other stuff. Like I put the high end ones in there, right? Like one of them I had to pay for actually. And what it does is it takes the reverb. It's a reverb. It takes the reverb out, like not the echoing reverb. Like it just takes out the high pitches and it puts it down so it's easier to hear. Supposedly, but it sounded good the other day. Just give me a second. Just give me a second, my friends. Just give me a second. I just want to check it from my end here because I'm literally fucking commercials on the channel. And what it does is it takes. It's not that. It's a reverb. It takes the reverb out. Not the echoing reverb. It just takes out the Just give me a second. The high pitches and it puts it down so it's easier to hear. Supposedly. Just give me a second. Just give me a second, my friends. Just give me a second. I just want to check it from my end here because I'm literally commercials on the channel. And what it does is it takes. It's not that. It's a reverb. It takes the reverb. Yeah, it does. It sound a little bit tinny. Do you guys notice the tinniness in it? Maybe not. Okay, anyways, enough of that. Enough of that. Okay. Notice it does sound a little bit, but whatever. I don't know. Does it sound tinny to you, Christopher? Do you hear the tinniness or no? Is it fine? Hi, Dee. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Warren, good morning. Good morning. Joshua, good morning. Oh, you guys are flying it up there. I didn't even see you guys up on the upper board. Didn't even know. I was preoccupied. Okay. Alina, good morning. Oh, go to sleep, get some sleep, Alina. Thanks for stopping and say hi. JP. Okay, I did miss Joshua way up there. Yeah, I got you now. Okay, I think I got everybody if I didn't. Sorry. Okay. Anyways, Jason, good morning, brother. Good morning. Okay, so it's going to go in here for a second. Yeah, I just checked it on Chris. I checked it on my on my phone. It's loud, like loud as hell. I can pull that one off. I'll pull one of the filters off. Just give me a second, my friends. I'm just waiting. I'm just watching the stock right now. It's not really doing anything, so we have time. I'll get her going for you guys. But yeah, you guys are the ones that help me out with this stuff, because if I just play it here, like both speakers, they pick up everything, right? So it's easier when you broadcast it. Fuck, I'm having problems with this one website. Why? Did Reddit go down or anything? Because weird. Create a post. Weird. Okay, no, it's not. It's just, I don't know what the fuck's going on there. Wall Street Breakers. Okay. 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 Done. 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 Well, that didn't turn out. Fuck. Oh man. What's going on with Reddit? It's not as good as it used to be, man. Okay. Try this again. Try this one more time. Lord Kong, welcome, brother. The high range seems a little harsh. Yeah, I noticed that too, my friend. Okay, I'm gonna go over and fix it right now. Okay, let's go into the filter settings here. Fuck. Can't see anything in there. Okay, filters. Just give me a second. I gotta find it here. Fuck are the filters? Mixer. Here we go. Mixer. What? What? I don't see anything in here. Weird. 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 Don't have anything in there. Filters. I found it. Found it. They don't make it easy to find. Noise suppression. Okay, I'm going to take the noise suppressor off. Tell me if that's better, guys. Tell me if excuse me. Tell me if that's better. If you can even notice a difference. Oh. It's just what I was trying to do is get that high pitch coughing out. Smash the like button. Oh, I thought you were talking to me. Thanks, guys, for helping me set this shit up here. Can't do it without you. Okay. Oh, man, we're getting attacked again. Just give me a second here. What are we at here? AMC. Yeah, we're going down a little bit. We're at $25 though. Not bad. Smash the like button. Oh, I thought you were talking to me. Thanks, guys, for helping me set this shit up here. Can't do it without you. Okay. Yeah, it's loud now. Okay, that was the problem. Thank you. Out of here. Let's get on with this. Let's get on with this shit. Did you, Spartan? Welcome back, brother. Did you buy some more shares? Okay. Excuse me. Doot, 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 doot. Okay, let's have a look at this chart here. Oh, my arms is killing me today, guys. Okay, why is this messing up here? What the fuck's going on here? Are you fucking with me? Chart's fucking with me now. You kidding me? I can't move the chart for some reason. Come on. There we go. There we go. Okay, that's way better. I'm never surrendering. No kidding, buddy. Let's have a look. What else is happening here? Sundial's gone up. Sundial's at 2.32% right now. Gone up a little bit. This one's on a rip. This AVCT. It's up 15% and plus. Let's have a look here. We were looking at that the other day. Oh fuck. Ouch. Whoa. Holy shit. Oh man. Yeah, that's a little scary. Whoa, what are they going to try doing this, hurting some more people here? Wow, that's crazy. This market's been acting weird for the last week. But if I remember last year at Christmas, it was about the same. There was a lot of weird stuff going on too. Thanks, Sanjay. Excuse me. Have some coffee here. So, have you guys heard of anything news or anything like that? What was it? Somebody said they tapped out Sanjay. I got a message from you. I tried looking for it, but I didn't look that hard. I just couldn't see anything pop up on my info board. You were saying something about a company, institution tapped out or something, another one out, or what was that all about? Let's turn this heater back on here. It's fucking cold in here. What's the real reason Ali quit tube? Oh my fucking, just on the hurt today, guys. I feel like a little biatch. Okay, whoa, Kim, whoa. What is the real reason Ali, from Boston? I heard some things about him, some rumors, but I don't like putting rumors out there. Hey, Jason, unless, I want to hear what you heard, because I don't want to put anything out there unless, yeah, I just want to hear you first, because I don't like doing that. I wouldn't want it done to me. But if he's disappeared, I kind of know why. Yeah, I heard something else. I didn't hear anything about his past, but vultures. Hey guys, I deal with the same shit. It's. I don't think that would make him quit. Like, fucking Jackson deals with it too. He went right on live and said, yeah, like that's why I shut our fucking comment board down on our fucking videos. It's irritating as hell, man. It's the same people all the time, and then they recruit, and then it's just everything he put, even if it doesn't matter on the video, it's just something negative, right? I can understand where he's coming from, but there was another. He also persona he was keeping himself clean. Yeah. So there's a couple other tubers that went down too that they just pulled their pin. I don't know the names. I just was. I just heard some. I heard another. I heard Tony talking about it actually, and I didn't want to put on his. I didn't want to go in. I just stopped in to say hi on his channel the other day. Right. I usually do. I pop in there once in a while. Just hey, how's it going? And that's about it. I don't really stay long. Made another 1 hour later. But how long has he been on YouTube? Hey, I'm just gonna do I gotta check some information on this. I do because yeah, I just don't want to say anything, man, because I just pulled their pin. Whoa, the hell was that? Oh, it was me echoing. But I gotta turn this. Sorry, guys. Sorry, I gotta turn that volume right off. There it is, Sanjay. Thank you, Anchor Capital. So they're done. They liquidated their shit. They're done. So that's crazy, man. Fuck, I wonder who they sold their shares to. Yeah. Sanjay, to be a YouTube creator, you do, man. It is, and you guys don't even fucking know. You have no idea, man. It's just, oh, fuck off with this fucking volume shit. Sorry, guys. That's irritating as shit. I wonder why it's doing that now. It's gonna keep on doing that. I don't know what the fuck I did to the... I just want to check something out here, my friends. What's AMC doing here? We're up to almost 3%. Soda Man, welcome to the channel, brother. Or you've probably been on it for a while, but I haven't seen you. And welcome to the chat board. I meant to say. They own been spraying. Oh, okay. On the after, and they have puts that they read per September. Oh, okay. That's good to know, man. Okay. Here, I just gotta go back up the chat bar here. I just wanna... He only has 69 videos out there. I'm just doing a check here. I just want to see, I just heard some stuff. I want to just see if it's true. It looks like it is true. Yeah. Fuck, eh? November 20. Oh, he's had it for a while. Okay, that doesn't make sense then. Huh. Weird. Weird shit, man. Weird shit, man. Anchorage cap, hedge funds fall. Okay, yeah. I'm seeing it right now. I'm just looking at some information here, guys. I like to get the most recent information for you. Yeah. Fucking thing, man. He told the TD he got a lot of race comments as well. He told TD. Oh. Yeah, but that's... So do I, man. So do I. Oh, fuck. That's just part of life now, man. It sucks. It's the worst thing, dude. Oh, not a problem, Soda Man. Not a problem. Not a problem, man. Yeah. I like his style too. He's a little bit different than me. Way more relaxed. I like his style, man. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I've never gone on another YouTube creator's channel and actually gone in the chat bar and talked. Okay, I was on there 3 times now. I was on there yesterday after our stream. I went and popped in there for like 3 minutes. I think I seen a couple of you guys in there, said hi. I think Warren was in there. I don't stay that long and just say hi, right? I just don't want to. I don't want to make him feel uncomfortable, right? Being in there, because everybody, like, it's just, hey, Cam, the whole chat bar that one day, and he was kind of like, hi, CS rates. Like, I don't want that, right? I don't want to take away from his show. Like, he's a creator. I don't want to do that. I don't want to be that person, right? It's his time. He deserves that time. He's broadcasting it, and that's how I feel. I don't know if other people feel like that, but that's what I feel like. So, yeah, Can I ask you guys a question? With Mr. L from Boston, when did he come on publicly and say that he's done? This is it. Or is it just hearing it from other people? Or did you actually guys hear that? The reason why I wanted to know is just because he said some things that don't make sense. And he put it out there, and then I just need to check this stuff because I want to clear it up. And there's Tony was trying to do that too, clear some stuff up that he was saying. And it was on. There's a live video. Go watch it on Tony's channel. So he was on there live, and I actually watched a couple minutes of it. But there's I just wanted to check something out because it's not. I just want to make sure that it is actually, is he gone or no? You join the chat. What chat? Oh, he made a YouTube. Okay. Cam, Ella, you should join the chat. Join the chat. I sent the article out yesterday. Okay. So yeah, okay, buddy. I didn't have time. I've been so busy. Okay. Yeah. Well, they did expect his shares and stuff like that, but I heard that there's a couple indictments against him. That's what I heard. So I was just checking the court registries and stuff. I found something, but I'm not gonna go into that. That's not his personal business. Yeah. Spider-Man, are you going to see Spider-Man tonight, Jamal? Yeah, good, brother. Yeah. So anyways, it is what it is, right? I didn't mind I didn't mind about 80% of his content, but yeah, it is what it is, right? I have nothing against him. He has done nothing to me, right? I was just curious because that's just some weird stuff doesn't make sense in my head, and I just checked it out. I said on YouTube, okay, Ryan. Yeah. So anyways, it's all good. I just had to check something just because it just affects some of the things that we're doing. So anyways, it is what it is. So let's get back on the chart here. Just want to see some, I see some AMC getting crazy here. There we go. Yeah, 2.7, we're back up. Yeah, we're doing that wave action again, guys. What's the date today? It's the 16th, yeah. Oh yeah. Thanks for all the birthday wishes on my email and stuff, guys. You guys hammered my email list, email link there. Thank you. I really appreciate that. That means a lot, those little things, little comments and those little... Got a couple cards and stuff from you guys, digital cards and stuff. But I appreciate that, guys. Okay. I am going to go in and check my... you want me to check my email there? Is it the chat on our VIP group there? The Wolfpack one? My friend? My friend? My friend? Oops. Shit. Okay, I'll go into my email right now. What? What the hell? YouTube's contacting me. What the fuck? What the fuck are they trying to do to our channel? I saw your YouTube channel. It's I saw your YouTube channel. It's amazing. They want to boost our channel? The fuck is this shit? Sorry guys, I got an emergency thing popped up on YouTube. I gotta read this. It's from the main office. Our team provides YouTube promotion services. I don't want to promote my fucking channel. Fuck, I don't want your guys' fucking dirty money. Fuck, I have enough money. If you have any questions about how to grow your channel's volume intake. How it works. We have a promotion CS to YouTube, social media, different campaign, social media, blog posts, backlink. What the fuck is all this shit? Not interested. They want to promote our channel, dude. They want to fucking... YouTube's using it for... They want to use it to promote their content. What the fuck? That's weird. And there's like a document here. So I'm just going to look at this document. What the fuck is this? It has a whole bunch of the big YouTubers on here. They want our channel to join up with the elite. Just give me a second, guys, because it's flashing a notification. Like I got to pay attention to this shit, because this is where if you don't pay attention, you need your channel shut down. Like if they tell you you're got a warning and you keep on doing something. The million subscriber, or the 100,000, or the million subscriber club. Well, that's nowhere near that. Oh, the top one is. Oh, I see. Wow. My competition is cooking channels and hot rod cars. Woo. Okay, no, not interested. Not interested. It's $1,000 a month starting for the first month, and then it goes up. But I don't understand what the fuck they want from me. But anyways, no problem. Not interested. I'm not doing that. I'm not selling us out like that. Like fuck that. I never built this fucking thing for that. Because once you do that, they got their hooks in you, right? If you sign a contract. Yeah, I'm not, guys. No, I would never do that. It's legit though. It's right from YouTube, but no. We got approached by Coinbase. Do you guys know what Coinbase is? They wanted me to sponsor them for, fuck, it was good money too. It was like $4,000 a month. But fuck no, I'm not selling. They wanted their logo on all the videos, and no. I did delete it. It's gone. I follow different YouTubers. Cooking. I never seen them. I know, Gloria. I know. Yes, I know. I tried to. That's why I tried to explain to you guys. It's weird how all this is coming out. There's a different. Everything's changed like 4 months ago. The whole thing. Twitter, Reddit's really bad. Oh, I know, right? Oh no, guys, I don't need that stuff, man. We got a statistics because of our sub counts gone through the roof. Our channel, our average is up 700% in the last 4 weeks. 700% on the statistic chart. I'm not talking like we're the high. I'm talking about the hits, like on the thumbnails and shit. And our CPU rate's gone through the wall, right? So, but it is what it is. It is what it is. I'm not. I opted out I opted out of most of the commercial ads. I opted out of everything. The way you do it is put biased. Like the regional, they want religion shit. You put I'm not a believer in religion. They do hot rod stuff. My friend was killed in a hot rod car. And they delete it. They won't put that on your channel, on the fucking feed. I couldn't think of how to get these guys to stop fucking putting commercials up, dumb ones. So it was weird, man. Like there was a thing for back pain medication. I said, well, my friends are all addicts. Why would I put that up there? They would, oh, we're sorry, we no disrespect, and oh, fuck. Yeah, my fucking stupid shit, man. Why am I fucking pain med advertisement on my fucking channel, man? Fucking idiots. Because it always tells you, if you don't like it, why, right? You can always back there. Okay, so enough about that. Enough about that. What? Another fucking? No way. Okay, no, never mind. But yeah, I'm back to that, guys. Yeah, I do. It is. Tesla's falling off a cliff. Kim, good. I'm glad to hear that. You're not. Okay, that was one of the concerns. Okay, and more than that, Tony even mentioned it, and I. Yeah, I'm not going to disclose what there was a conversation about privately, but between me and him on a message. But I won't do that because that is up to him if he wants to talk about that. I'm not one of these guys that fucking turn around, right? Shamron, see. You're starting to get fucked around. That's what I said. Like, it happened to me that once. Remember, I got all my shares got returned to me, and that was a while ago. At the $40 range, I bought $1,000 worth of shares. They fucking sent it back to me, and there was no. It was a lame excuse, and that's what got me to call the TD Bank. That this is up in Canada. This is not Amtrade. Okay, totally fucking different. They're not even nothing to do with each other, right? So the thing is that's how I phoned them, and I said, well, like I want fucking like about the synthetics and that. Oh well, and he went off, and I said, well, I want the fucking registration numbers off all my shares. Well, we can't do that. Well, what do you mean you can't do that? Because we don't have them. Well, fuck, who has them? Well, we can't get that stuff. We don't know. We're just we are third party. We're just a bank. Well, you have a fucking traders division. You guys are stock traders. No, we're not. We contract that out. I'm like, oh fuck, great. So you guys just wash your hands after you screw us all over. You're just gonna wash your hands, and this little company, this third party company, is just gonna go bankrupt, and we all lose our money. Pretty much. Solid move, fucking TD Bank. Like fuck. So anyways, yeah, that was I was going off about that for a week. You guys were watching that. Good morning, MC. Good morning, Michael, Aaron. So yeah, it is what it is. You guys are starting to see little tail ends of it. There, weird shit going on. That's why I was with the screen recorder and stuff, guys. I'm not friggin' joking about this shit, man. Like I don't want you to be one of those statistics, right? that I can't help, or nobody can help. No law firm can help you because you don't have any information. Okay? No, it's all good, Michael. It's all good. Okay, I do want to check out Tesla though. But Christopher, I didn't get it. Cancel web casino. Oh. Just give me a second, my friends. No, that's not it. Christopher, I didn't get it. Can you send it to me again, Christopher, a fresh copy, please? I'm just getting the one when I was at the RV shop when I was taking my trailer in for warranty work the other day. That I couldn't get onto YouTube to edit shit about when we canceled the meeting. That's all I have, bro. Can you just send a fresh one? Don't link it to another one. So it's like from the last message I sent you, don't hit reply. Just make a fresh one, please. Thank you very much. It's just that you should see my fucking email box, man. I got to build another one, I think. It's gotten a little crazy. Okay, so Tesla. Let's get into this. You guys are, I've mentioned that. Let's go. So by Tesla going down, it's a good sign, guys. It's a good sign. Because, as you know, the fucking hedge fund, that thing's in a fucking squeeze right now, right? It could be coming out of one. See, the audio and video works, see? Voice recognition is fucking so strong. It's the strongest thing. It's like retina scan or a blood test. It's solid as hell, man. You cannot fake it. You can't. Even with digital encryption, to change your voice, you cannot get it to you can't, right? It's impossible, right? At this day and age. In the future, yes, probably. But mine's logged with the government now. Well, like my bank and stuff. Like I've opted into that new program that I don't know if you have in the States, but in Canada you can. It's under the it's like what is it? It's like it's better than a second verification. It's I forget what it is. Anyways, my phone's hooked up to it now. Plan is hooked up to it. The bank's hooked up to it. I don't even have to log in anywhere. I just say my name. I just say my name. And it just, accepted, voice recognition verified, and that's it. It's pretty cool. Until somebody steals that file and uses it. I don't know how it works, but anyways, it is what it is. It is what it is. Everything's insured anyways, so. So, AMC's got that down low again, a pull down. Naked brand is at 50 fucking cents. Holy shit. Holy shit. That thing's been bleeding slowly behind my eyes. Bleeding slowly. But Sundial's actually holding it. Usually that gets a backslash for, about this time. It's holding that too. Okay, oh my God, Christopher, an invite, then cancel. Yeah, that was from me. That was from invite and cancel because I made a mistake. I had too many things going on in the day. I didn't know that you guys already had your meeting. I know you had your meeting. And I said that I might not be there, and I respect all of you guys being there. I just was really busy. I had to get my travel trailer into the shop, and yeah, it was just, it was very time-sensitive stuff. I've been waiting 3 months for that appointment. And it's like $60,000 on the line. That's what I paid for it, right? And it's the last warranty thing, and there's a bunch of warranty work that had to be done. That if I didn't take it in there, I would be stuck with the bill. It was probably about $6,000-$7,000 work to be done. Just little things, minor stuff, no appliances or anything, just minor stuff, right? Everything's covered on that from end to end, paint chips, everything. So, yeah, it is what it is. Okay. Yeah, oh, MC, you did it good. Okay. Why isn't Tesla up there? What the I gotta put this back in. How did that get erased? I gotta keep track of this stuff for you guys. Because oh fuck, it is going down. That's good, guys. That is good. I already know why it's going down. This is just another thing that verifies that we're getting closer. Okay, as you know, Tesla is in a managed short squeeze, okay? totally fucking managed. They've been fucking with it and making money. You can see the way it's hedged. Like, look at it. When they want to collapse, it's organized, it's cohorted. It's probably one of the most fucked over stocks. Like, the owners hate the fucking situation. It sucks, man. It's not good for the company like that. Okay. So, anyways, the thing is the hedge funds, almost every fucking hedge fund in the world. Well, no, I shouldn't say in the world. No, that's not. I'll correct that. I meant because I was thinking of the UK too. Okay, I'll say for Canada and the States. Okay, because the world would mean other countries besides. It's actually 3 countries: UK, Canada, and the States. Okay, but so, anyways. All the hedge funds are in there. They piggyback the shit out of this thing, okay? These things are hedged. I don't even know how many times these stocks are hedged, okay? So the problem with that, or not the problem, well, it is a problem for him and it's a problem for other people, right? You just got to watch it. But they will liquidate some of their biggest profile positions to cover other stuff if they're ordered to, as in, it's going, they're mandated to pay this, like they are on ours. They, like, it's getting close, shit's getting close, so they're gonna have to have shit on hand. Okay, they're gonna have to have these plays, or else it goes way beyond than just the fucking money in their bank. Houses and cars will be liquidated. Seriously, guys. It's no joke. Like, these guys are over leveraged anyways, right? Like, half of these guys that say they're on the one percenters, yeah, they make lots of money. I think you have to make $200,000 a year so you can be in the a hedge fund firm. I think there's certain criterias, right? The thing is yeah, they make that money, but a lot of them are over leveraged. Okay, they drive all these nice cars, big houses, but they don't own the shit. Okay, the banks do. Okay, it's just the new way that the society is going. I've noticed that. My kid started doing that shit, right? And then I talked to him about it and straightened him out. I shouldn't say straighten him out. That's not right. I just talked to him about some things, and then he just totally changed. And now everything's like, he just paid his car off. Like, within, a year and a half, he paid his car off. Yeah, man, like, he totally took the switch around. And yeah, and the daughter did the same thing. She just bought a house, like, 6 months ago, I think. Yeah, so yeah, we gave her some money for a down payment. Not much though. She did pretty good. So anyways, but yeah, society is doing that a lot, and it's just getting to the point where, because the interest rate's so low, why would you go to the fucking car lot and pay a high percentage on a new car and buy it, when you can just go to your bank and have a line of credit on your house or something, like a lender. Like, I got one, but I've never used it, right? Never. But yeah, it's crazy. The interest rate's only like 2 point something percent, 3% or something. It's cheap, man. But yeah, that's what people are doing. Then when the interest rates go up, they're fucked. They're so screwed. Like, it's not good, man, because that's compound interest. So I'll put it back on AMC. I just wanted to have a look at that, my friends. Thanks for bringing that up. But yeah, I just wanted to I know a little bit about this stock, well, quite a bit actually. But yeah, I've been studying it because of the squeeze. That's what they wanted to do to AMC. It won't happen. It won't happen. Not like that, and it won't be managed to that degree. They will, Sanjay. Yeah. And there'll be another class to replace them. Cockier and more determined to screw people over. The younger generation. And if you go after them, I'm going to charge you. You hit them. I'm charging with assault. You can't touch me. Child abuse. That generation. Oh, fuck you, little kid. Come here. I'm just joking. But yeah, it's just a fucked up generation, man, that's behind me here, and you guys too. SEAC. In pre-market in Canada? You can. You just got to pay a fucking lot of money. And you're a retail investor, right, Ryan? I need to ask this because there's some people that are institutional that come on, they're on the channel, right? I just need to ask that. And you're from Ontario, or no? You told me where you were from before. And no, it's hard. It's hard. Canada's really strict with their stock market stuff, man. Like and the UK is too. Way more stricter than the States. Like they watch everything, right? And that's why there's no payment for order flows up here, right? They don't want the headache. They know what goes on, right? That's been banned for a long time. It's a fraud. It's a fraud system. It's a way to fraud, right? So. Anyways, we could see if we go see. So if we see Tesla go down more, like we were talking about before, it won't tank into the like 30, 40 buy. No, it's not going to go like that. Okay. When it goes down into close to in the hundreds, like down 200, 300, 400, that's fucking a lot for that stock. If it hits like $200, it's pretty much at zero. Okay. Because it has so much capital, like it's worth so much. Okay. I don't know if you can understand that. Take that, dead Aaron. That's fucking awesome, buddy. That's funny. That's funny. Yeah, Sanjay's right. Yeah, that's right. Want Tesla down. Yeah, as soon as it gets to $500-600, like, and if our stock hasn't gone, it's gonna fucking go any day. Because that's what I'm saying. Like, if you just check up hedge funds. How many hedge funds are in Tesla? Fuck, you probably won't even. You'll spend 3 days reading them all. Ontario, yeah, that's what I figured. I remember. I was saying Ontario. No, yeah, Sanjay, payment order flow is illegal in the UK. Yeah. Canada and the States are the only two, as far as I know. Oh, I only look at those two. I know for sure. Or Canada and the UK. Sorry, correction. The States, there's not that many people that do payment for order flows, man. No, Kim. Not right now. No. Fuck, they're in a couple big lawsuits right now. No, stay the fuck away from that. It's not financial advice. Holy shit. Yeah, don't stay the fuck away from that. That's probably one of the worst stocks you could get into right now. But when the fire sale happens, there's a difference, okay? It will recover. But they got caught lying about some fucked up shit, man. Like batteries and just putting false fucking crap shit in. Oh, fuck, they got screwed. I think the Canadian government's even suing them. I think every country is suing them. They got like multiple pages of lawsuits on them right now. It's going to take years to straighten that out. So I don't think it'll bankrupt the company. But look into it. Have a little dive into it. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at that for you. But I don't even know how much the share's worth, but I just know that it's not in good terms right now. And there's more lawsuits approaching every day. Because they have to be approved, right? Lawsuits, before you can get a lawsuit, it has to be approved. Lucid Group. It's probably at a couple. Yeah, I was going to say, yeah. I thought 35, but... So, yeah, I wouldn't... Fuck. Yeah. I wouldn't... Whoops, shit. Sorry, guys. Just want to check something out here. That's just my... You guys can do whatever the fuck you want, right? I'm just telling you. There's just some lawsuits that aren't even fucking happening yet, okay? They're like, they haven't hit the courts. Okay? Oh yeah, see? It's been fucking screwed. Oh yeah. So you have to watch out for these pumps though, okay? Because you're still going to see these uprises and then they collapse. Uprise collapse, okay? Because these fucking people got to make money somehow, right? If they mislead a stock. How many shares are in this? I got to figure some shit out. I'm going to fucking dive in here and have some information here. The United States. Lucid. But I thought they were Chinese. I thought they were from China, though. Don't they have a plant over in China? I thought they were connected with the Chinese. Yeah, Canada. See, Canada's there. Yeah, because I know that Canada's suing the fuck out of them. I know they are. Yeah, there. Yeah, Sanjay's right. Yeah, and then you can make some good money on it, right? Oh, here it is, right here. This is where they got sued. I can just tell by their portfolio, because this is what they always brag about. The horsepower of approximately, okay, the horsepower isn't fake, okay, because, and the range, 500 miles per charge. That's what screwed them, okay? It's their charging and their batteries, okay? Up in Canada, they're lasting like fucking 100 miles, or we don't go by miles up here. So I guess it would have 100 miles, 120 kilometers. They were lasting like 100 to 200 kilometers. Like nothing, man. Like nothing. I could ride my bike that, well, maybe not, but that's nothing. That's nothing. That's like fucking here to fucking Vancouver almost from my house. So yeah, that's pretty bad, man, if you buy a car. Like, so anyways, I just wanted to check out their how many shares they got. Oh fuck, they got a lot of shares. It's quite a bit. So yeah, that's the problem. They got a lot of shit. So yeah, there's a lot of people on the hook. So they're not going to put up with the bullshit, the government. I'll put this back on AMC. But thanks for bringing that up. We talked about the other day, but that would not like that. Did I see something correct? Oh fuck, I thought I seen BlackBerry at like fucking 40% increase, but it wasn't. It was a blur. Fuck. Okay, so AMC, yeah, back to that wave action again. Here we go. Here we go. That's a lot of red, guys. Look at that on that chart. Look at that. You can't even see the green in there hardly. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Intervals. Yeah. What was our top on the channel? I forget what our channeling was. MC. 100% slam dunk. That's my number. Well, yeah, it's up there. Not financial advice, but on our list, it is up there with between SU for me. Well, in the American list, it's number 1 with a star beside it. It's my number 1 play. That's that one. I'm probably going to put about $80,000 into on when it squeezes. That and then. Yeah, I'll just share this with you guys. I don't fucking care. Things can change though, right? It all depends on how much money I get, right? But it doesn't really, well, no, that doesn't, yeah, I guess. It is what it is, right? But that's one of my plays, right? So it'd be 80 to 100, but I'm the little 100, I'm worried about the insurance on that because I make sure my plays are insured, okay? I get insurance on them. Or make sure that they're insured, okay, by the broker I buy them through. That's why I use banks, right? And big fucking banks, okay? Like TD's the biggest in Canada, one of them, okay? And they're backed up by England, right? And Canada, right? So like they have fucking the reserve over there backs them. So yeah, it is. Did you, Aaron? Good. I'm glad you made money on it because it's fucking way down now, man. Good for you. Astro, how's it going? Welcome to the channel, my friend. Yeah, the cold, yeah, it kills those batteries, man. So when they put things out there on those batteries, they got to watch what they're saying because of the cold up here, right? It's easy to fix it. You just put inline heaters inside the fucking battery. But an electric car, anything that heats up uses thousands of watts. You got to watch that, but you can use it, and there's no exhaust to heat shit. So you got to remember. So what I do is I see how much my portfolio's worth in total, and then I find out how is it individual stocks or is it your portfolio? Is how much is it insured for? And I never max it out because an insurance company never pays full. Okay, you guys know that, right? So what if it's 100,000? I only put 80 in, right? And yeah, like Sanjay's saying, you different brokers, right? That's why I do have 2 different brokers in Canada. I have a zero commission, which is not any of these zero commission. They're not zero commission. Okay, you're paying in other ways. Okay, I just want to be very clear on that, and I think that's getting changed. The SEC is changing that, where they have to disclose that it's not correct saying zero commission. It has to be zero commission on. I think it's sell or buy. I don't know correctly on it because it's different in Canada. One is free and one is where you're paying. I think it's when you're buying. Yeah, it's when you're buying. You're paying the bit and ask. That's where they get you. Okay. Okay, Herein, you want me to look that up? Okay, let's have a look here. So yeah, man, that's number one on the dividend plays. Right. I might even it is what it is. So that's not it. And number one on the Canadian list would be SU, of course. I'm already in it large, though. I'm in it, 100 and a bit. I just put more money into it the other day. Oh, fuck. I make about $600 a month on that, right? Well, every 3 months you get paid, right? But yeah, and it is what it is, right? I would stay away from Enbridge, though. Enbridge does have a higher reward, but they have pipelines that need replacing. They're number 7 and number 1 pipeline coming into Canada to Detroit. I know because I used to work on that shit, right? It needs to be dug up and repaired, and that's going to cause a lot of money, and that's going to cause a lot of halting on that because of the native reserves on both sides. Yeah, it's going to be a fucking nightmare, man. Some of it's under the water. Oh man, it's going to be and it's so old that they're going to be bursting leaks pretty soon. They're only good for 100 years, 80 to 100 years. And then they pop. They start leaking, right? So, what do you want to look up here? I was just looking at something else here. Okay, my friend. Sorry, 8. 8 isn't it 9? Yeah, it's beautiful. Or I don't know what it is. I don't know what, you guys can check it out. But even if it's anything above 10, or no, anything about 11, 10, 11, I don't get involved in it at all. I stay fucking away from it. I don't care if it's a good company. That is a bad sign. It's insane. It's too much money to give away. There's something fishy there. And if you look in the past history, when a stock gets the dividend rewards like that they're usually going to foreclose, okay, or claim bankruptcy, or go into bankruptcy protection, or something's up. The company, they're trying to get as much money to pay off people, or just squirrel it away and fold. Okay, it happens all the time. That's famous. That's one of the things you got to watch over dividend plays. Okay, that's pretty much the only thing you got to watch out for, because even if the stock collapses, you lose the investment. But if it goes like to say it's 0, you lost your investment, but your rewards won't change. That is different. That is off of what the company makes a year. Okay, and if they're generating hardcore money, then you get that. It continues. So it is what it is. There you guys go. So yeah. Anyways, ticker symbol. What is it? I just had to clarify that. Just make sure you guys are clear on that one. Okay, what is Aaron? What you want? It's let's see. I know I seen that before, brother. I just had to finish. I'm trying to complete my things. I'm trying not to divert off too much with you guys, and go sideways on you to the next topic. Pull a Lou, pull a Mr. Louie. No, Shamron, no. SU's at 6%. It just went up 100% last month. It was at 3%, and it just doubled. They actually came out and said, "Hey guys, I got a letter in the thing," and they didn't even vote on it. They just put it through, which is cool. And they said, my retirement fund just doubled. Like, fucking, I almost fell off the chair. Right? Fuck. What is it? Merger today. Which one is it? Which one is it? This one? We'll try this one. Is this the right one, bro? $1.80? Oh, $1.80? It's 5%? This must be the wrong one, right? No. You're making that much of a stink over this? Aaron, is this the right one? I must be on the wrong one. They just went over the VWAP. Let's check the profile out here. Video management software. Video and Everman. Okay, telecommunication. Okay, that looks a little bit. Right? At first, I'm like, I don't know about this one. Okay, they're in a telecommunications. Is part of the future if they stay upgraded all the time. Video on demand. Yeah, that's all right. It's kind of they're gonna come up with better shit than that. Smart televisions and mobile. They're in televisions too. Well, they're all over the place. They're into everything. I hope. I'm just gonna wait for you to message me back. IT service. So they offer a service. 2006. Well, that's when I graduated. Is in 2006. That's fucking a long time ago. So they've been around for a while. Hold by. Huh. So it's got a split decision here, right down the center. Some people say buy, some people say hold. It's 50-50. That's rare. I've never seen that before, dead straight across the board. So, yeah, good for you, Cam. It is good, but I don't touch that money. Well, I've maybe taken out once, but no, that just sits in there. Because the trick is, my friends, don't take the money out, okay? Leave it into a high interest. You can put a high interest account, or trader's account, or whatever. And what it does is you get the royalty, and it compounds and it compounds into hundreds and over 10, 20 years, hundreds of thousands of dollars, $500,000, seriously. The compound interest, once it gets up over 50, 60, it fucking doesn't take, it just hammers away. It goes hard. Once you get in that fucking catalyst going, it just goes. Oh, okay, Aaron. I was just wondering what we were. Yeah, that's it. I got it. Okay. It just went down half since we've been on here, dude. But it's all over the place, right? They don't have that many shares out there. 49 mil. They're not capped out yet. No dividends. Free float, 65 million. What's the highest we've been up to? 65 cents? Is the low? The high is at $2. That's a pretty good increase. So this thing, Aaron, does it go... Does it, is it like go back and forth? Like Antares, AEZ, that COVID pill, the first one that came out, like in January, February, that one that I made a fucking ton of money on, like a ton. Fuck, I don't even fucking know how much I made, man. It was insane, dude. It was insane. Ow. And it only fluctuated between 80 cents. $2 was the max. Swing trade the fuck out of that thing, man. But you gotta have a lot of money you're doing it with, like $20, $30, $50,000 chunks. Okay, seriously. And that's how I know about the orders getting rejected, is because yes, it did happen to me quite a bit, and I know about that, right? It is what it is. I just found that manually was better. I did try the other way, and I don't know. I like to be there, and it's like touching my own money almost, right? I just like to see it happen, but that's up to everybody. I'm not trying to discourage you. Oh, it just went back up another %. So I'm just gonna wait for him. It is still going, just going into the swing trade. Oh, okay. Okay, cool, Aaron. Yeah, like I said, man, if it's banging around in between this and what is it, $2? That's like see, penny stocks are the easiest to make money on, I think, right? I don't know why. I just think so, right? And they're cheaper to buy. You can buy more of the shares, right? You don't need this big fucking like for instance Tesla. Okay, the shares are expensive, right? And if it goes up, like say half, you gain half your money, but you only have a little bit of shares. You're not going to gain that much. Do you know what I'm saying? But if you're on a penny stock, which this is, right? Excuse me. You buy yourself fucking $10,000. Usually I do 5s and 10s, right? 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, right? Chunks, okay? So if I'm swing trading. So if I'm in on this one, like I would go 10,000 for sure because it's so low, right? And yeah, so 10,000 on that you make. So 10,000 on, if it goes up $10,000, if you 1% only is $100 you make, man. It's fucking awesome. So if it goes up 10%, which it's almost there, you'd already cashed out by, like, what time is it? Fuck, you could even pull the plug right now and make $500 for the day, and your day's done, right? This is just off one play, right? Easy money, easy. Just got to know what you're doing, right? But it can go the other way. It's not all fun and games. It's really pulling away from the VWAP hard. So it is what it is. It is what it is. Okay, thanks, Aaron. I appreciate that, brother. I'm glad that you guys throw this shit up here because it can help. It goes back to 2 and then it goes up to 250. That's fucking beautiful. If you can see that pattern, that's what I was talking about before. That pattern, man. It like ADA, right? It has a fucking pattern. It's longer. It takes longer for it to go. It does that from $1. I've never seen it this low in a long time, like a long fucking time. But usually about 170, 180, up to like almost $2, back down, up to $2, back down. So it's just like, it's crazy. And if you can coincide it where you have a crypto play that does that, right? And then you have a play like this, you can just fucking hammer on them. And usually if they're offset is even better, because then you got constant stream of long money coming in. But if it's on the same kilter, the same thing, then it's just chunks at once, right? But if you can get one that's slightly staggered, then it's easier to, it's just less stressful. Okay, that's all. That's all I wanted to say. That's all I wanted to say. But yeah, good, Aaron. You can, yeah. You agree with me on the, yeah, Steve G, yeah. You fuck, dude, you can make millions, potentially millions of fucking dollars on a penny stock. The big plays are not, I don't know. It's just, I don't think you make as much money, to be honest with you. Because you have to have more money to invest, right? It's more of a bragging right than anything. It's that's all it is, right? Like fucking, yeah, I fucking, yeah, I showed you good buys before on Antara Zaraz. Let's do it. Antara Zaraz, here we go. Toronto Stock Exchange. It's down to, whoa, it's up to $4. Holy fuck, I've never seen it this high ever. Yep, previous, they must have, something came through. The highest, look at, it's at the highest right now. It's at the highest it's ever been. Okay, this usually trades like, if I would have left my money in there, I would have made like 70 grand. I pulled it out though, because they were in a lawsuit. So they just get listed. Oh, there's something that happened here, guys. It went up and then it got pulled off the market. See, I fucking called it. I called it. It got pulled off the market right after I exited dividend. Yeah, they don't have dividends though. Why is it saying that? Overturned. When was the last date? Yeah, they've been pulled off the market. Crazy. Ha. Yeah. Conference call. This is the wrong one, maybe. No, they could have got pulled off the market. Maybe they were in, that was a pretty bad lawsuit, man. They're into like stem cell research and shit for like kids that have autism and stuff. But they did some fucked up shit, man. And it really, some bad stuff, like by accident. That must, they have usually two different, check this one, maybe the NASDAQ one. Oh, I was on the wrong one, I think. But it can't, I've seen it go up to $4. Yeah, here it is. I was on the wrong one. They have two different ones. And the one did get dislisted because they got in shit for being over leveraged. That's what it was. But it did go up to $4. That's what I was saying, that it's never been up that high. I would have made a lot of money. So here's the play right here, guys. It doesn't trade that much. It's lost its steam. But here it's down to 42 cents. It's gone up 3.76. It's still doing little fractions, okay? So let's go into here. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Yeah, see, 52, the week high is $3.62. I'm thinking, fuck, it's never gone up to $4. So here you guys go. The lowest it's gone is 35 cents. See? I'd always tell you guys the fucking truth, man, about this shit. Okay, I've never had it at 35 cents, though. I think 80 or 60 was the lowest. I can't remember. So like I'm talking about right here. So right now, not financial advice. If you put money on this, you'll get fucked. You'll fucking lose all your money. Okay, it's not a good play right now. Okay, at all. It's been leveraged. I think I took all the money out of it. No, like there was a bunch of us that were doing it, like a bunch of my family members, right? And actually, somebody still has their money in there, and I told them to pull it out, and they're down probably. It's not much money. I think it's like $500, but it's nothing really. But to them, it is. You understand what I'm saying? So, but they don't listen. People don't listen sometimes, right? Wish it lists the lawsuits on here, though. It doesn't. I'm just going to look into something here. Notice of effectiveness. That's where those lawsuits came from, is down in here. So anyways, analysts buy 100%. Everybody's saying buy. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Just wanted to see something. See, here it is right here. Here it is right here. The 9th month, this is when I endured an 82% loss on their money. I pulled out before then. Yeah. So anyways, they're into some hormonal deficiency trials, some crazy shit. They're competing with their cancer pipeline, Antarnazaras, Smartfish, Pfizer. They're competing with those guys, right? But once Pfizer got the upper edge on shit, I knew it was over. They lost it. They were ahead of them, but they didn't have the research, right? So, sorry guys, I just want to check this out. I haven't looked at this. Oh yeah, it's stale as fuck. It's stale. Oh, that's stale. You can't make money on that. No, you can't. What do you make, fucking 10 cents? Yeah, that's bad. Look at all the red. Yeah, you see, it's not doing anything. It's not doing anything at all. What are this? Yeah, 95 from 40. You could double your money. Nah, not even worth it. Well, maybe if you double your money, but it's not going to do it. So anyways, I'll get off of this. I just wanted to show you guys something. Okay. So there you guys go. There's one of my plays. But it's on, I wouldn't do it. I'd stay the fuck away from that. Okay. Let's get that off the list. What's yours going up to? Ah, you're almost at 5% there. You bought it $3? Oh, that must have been a long time ago, though, Aaron. I'm down 80%. Hey, Aaron, don't feel bad, bud. Don't feel bad. I'm down on 3 stocks. I'm down 20 grand right now. 80% on some stocks. Okay. It is what it is. You're only down that if you cash out, dude. It'll recover, man. It might take a while, but and I don't believe that it's gonna be dislisted. And if it is delisted, it doesn't fucking matter. It doesn't evaporate. It could be even do better when it's off the stock market, right? Because they don't have all the fucking retards on there fucking it, right? You never know. And then you can just it's a crypto. You can trade it on any platform, right? It's all good, man. There's two. It has a whole bunch of positives on it. It's going to be one of the most used currencies around. But I'm not talking. It has other stuff besides itself. It has a platform that's designed as a trading platform. You can trade other stuff like Bitcoin, all that stuff on it. It has more things than just the crypto. Okay, you should look into it. It's really cool, man. Okay. Well, thanks, Sanjay. I'll pin this on the top. Yeah, guys, we got a lot of people on here right now, quite a bit. Oh, I can't do it from there. You guys want to go through a video up, please? Would really appreciate that. We'll go back up. Average down when it dips hard. Yeah, see, it's a longer play. You just got to wait a bit. So you're saying, who's saying? So, okay, Kim, so you're saying we have a chance Big returns from Sundial? Well, I have a question for you. What do you class as a big return? Okay, it's gonna go 30, 40 bucks. It's gonna go 30, 40 bucks in that area. I can't see it going much higher because that, you have to look what it's at. That's a lot, man. That's like fucking thousands of percent. It'll go up to 1,000% plus, all right, but not for long. Maybe a couple days, a week, and then it'll go back down. So you guys and it might not get back up there again, okay? Because it's fucking it's not that it's a good product, okay? The best in Canada, okay? That's not the problem. It's just that it's having issues on the stock market. There's too many shares out there, my friends. That's what the problem is. They got lotted too many shares. Okay, they should only have half of what they have. He said that was gay, a video? Haha, you don't celebrate. Oh, hey, that buddy. If you don't celebrate Christmas, LordCon, that's all good. There's some people that don't, right? It's all good, man. It's all good, dude. It's all good. But yeah, just reading you guys' comments here. Just read you guys' comments. I was just reading you guys, make sure I answered everything. Yeah, this AV shit is going fucking up quite a bit. It's up 11%. But this is the one I'm fucking leery on, man. Oh, it's at $1.70, and it usually goes around $3. But does it do a wave play though? Or is it just these fucking pump and dump shit? Oh yeah, that's scary. I'd stay the fuck out of this. Ooh, that's scary. Yeah, I'd stay out of this. If it was me. I don't know. Whatever you guys do, whatever. Do whatever. It won't make $3 a game. Fuck, that's hard. That's a lot of shit there. I want to check the financials. We were virtual cloud thing. So there's too many of these companies around. Okay, the low was 84. The high was what? $4, $3, $9. When the fuck was that? How, within a year? That's pretty high. Maybe I'm wrong on this. Is it $1.70? Maybe I'm wrong on this. How old is this company? No portfolio here. Portfolio. Oh, they do. Okay, I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Sorry, guys. I'm wrong on this. I take it. At least I admit when I'm wrong. I thought it was one of those new companies. I thought it was only out for a year because they don't even have their fucking financials in yet. But they do. They've already made themselves. Yeah, 100% buy. Yeah, yeah. I personally wouldn't buy something like this. Just me. But it is what it is. No, hey, you couldn't swing trade this though. I was looking at it. There's one. It would be fucking hard. Because well, fuck, where's the chart? Come on, too many buttons on here. So I'm just gonna go on to the 1 minute. Yeah, see, it doesn't do enough. It's too consistent. Okay. Look at that. It's just not. It just you can't swing trade something like that. What you want is I'll put this on a different chart for you guys too. What you want is the wave action, not the sharp shit. It's too fucking violent. It's too fast. You want nice, smooth, and relaxing, because then you can put a couple plays on the table. I don't do more than 3. Some people do 4. I don't. Things can go too fucked up on you and too fast. And you're thinking, well, that's only 3 plays. It's easy, man. Yeah, right. You try it. You try it and try to reap the most out of it. Because you have to remember, 1 or 2% is a lot of fucking money, man. It's a lot of money. When you're doing how I do it, right? 1-2% is like a couple $100, right? On a play. Depends on $10,000 play, right? Well, $100 times 3 or 4, like that's pretty good. That's like 200, 2, 4, 6, $800 in one day. You could lose just on a couple minutes, right, on a fucking candle sweep going down, and you don't catch it. Yes, because you got multiple. You have to remember you got multiple plays happening, so it's times whatever you're doing, right? Quantro, QTT. Holy shit! Look at that, 36 up to fucking $4. No volume though. What? The fuck's going on here? That's weird. What the hell? $2.29. It's at 50 cents. That's weird. Let's check something out here. Oh, it just did its climb. Holy shit. Yeah, I don't like, that's not good. Look at that. Holy shit, are you guys seeing this? This is after hours, my friends. Holy fuck, talk about a pump and dump by fucking institution. Holy shit. 1,000% it just went up. 1,000 fucking percent in 10 minutes, or in 20 minutes. Tell me that's not organized or what. Fucking after hours. Guaranteed that's a pump. QTT Quattro, I would stay away from this motherfucker. Look at this. Look at this. And you wouldn't know it unless you caught this on the chart, man. Because it looks, whatever, but look at this. Right? 41 cents. Nothing has that good of news coming out at nighttime. And especially at nighttime, right? So, look at that. $4.40. That's, holy fuck, that's 1,000%. Holy shit. Oh fuck, imagine if you did own this stock and you woke up in the morning, hey, and it's up 1,000% and you had like fucking like 15, 16 or 15, 20, 30 grand in there because you just bought it just cause. But not many people spend that much money on stock. But anyways, even if you had 5 grand, that's a lot of money. Wow, that's crazy. And you guys want to have any questions for you? Excuse me. You guys have any questions? The floor is yours right now. I'm going to take a break for a minute. I'm going to sit here though. I'm just going to take a break for a minute here. I'm going to let you guys have a chance to ask some questions. I'm just going to have a coffee and oh, I got to figure out the time that I'm going to put the video on. Tell you guys so I can get it out there and get it out to all you guys. At least I can give you some notice, right? So if I do my podcast, I need start at 7 o'clock. I know, Sanjay. I can't wait either. We got better have stuff to do because we're gonna be on 90% of the time we're gonna be on halt. Okay, so it is what it is. Most likely we'll be waking up in the morning and within minutes of the stock market open, we'll be cashing out. We'll be getting our rewards, okay? Because it's going to be going after hours is when it's going to be ripping. Most likely, we're going to get our plays during the day, but it's going to go crazy at night. The one I was just on, Aaron. Excuse me. The one I was just on, bro. You're gonna put lower puts on that, eh? You're not gonna stay at the same level because it's not gonna stay that high. I'm not gonna. Yeah, you know more about that shit than me, but I'm just Quattro or hang on. Quattro, QTT, bro. QTT, no dividend rewards. It is what it is. There's no reason why this went up that high. There's no reason. There's nothing here, right? There's nothing here. doesn't have action during the day. It's very low fucking volume. That was planned. And there's not, it's from fucking China. Like, come on, man. Really? Like, there's nothing that gets something that excited in Canada and the States. It doesn't, it doesn't make sense. So it was just, obviously it was a pump, and for a reason. Something's happened. Look, buy, hold. Hold. Hold, eh? It's only gonna go down. Fuck. That's bad if saying that. Fucking, it's only based on one analysis. Okay. But they shouldn't put that like that. That's very misleading. But that's Webull. See? Chinese stock screener, Chinese stock, false information. I caught that right there. Stay away from the fucking Webull. How do you find the best swing trade? Just what I was doing, Lord Kong. That's what I'm doing, is when I do this stuff, is showing you guys. What you do is you find a stock, okay? Just go through them, but so let me think about this, because I do it different ways. There's two different ways to do it. There's ways to do it off of news, okay? So what you're doing is compiling data, okay? There's two different ways to do it. Are you chasing it? Are you chasing your money? Or are you just gonna fucking sit back and watch it come in, but it takes more time, okay? So what you do is, these aren't day swing trades. There's two different ways. There's two different ways to reap money, okay? There's the day swing trading, and then there's ones where you put it in for a week or two and just make even more money off that. But you don't want the stock for a long time. You know what I'm saying? There's day trading, and then there's weekly trading. Okay, they both make a substantial amount of money. Okay, it's just you don't want too many on your table. Okay, so what I do is, I'll start with the weekly trading, and when I say weekly, it could be up to 2 weeks away. Cardano's a weekly trade. Okay, so what I do is I do a pullback on it, and I see what the gapping is on it, right? And then I put a trend line, horizontal trend lines, right? I don't use them I just use the trend lines because that's what they're called. I put a line on the top, line on the bottom, upper and lower. Just make a channel, okay? Find out the touch points, okay? Measure out how long it is over a certain amount of time, how many days, divide it by that, and that's how many times it fucking does its system, right? And then you can break it down, and you can figure out how much money you can make on that, right? Because if you can get a year worth of data, which is easy to do, it's only 12 fucking things of knowledge or putting in there. If you can do a year, even 2 years and more, the bigger you go, the more statistics. But you kind of got to take COVID out of that, right? That COVID thing fucked up everything. So when you're figuring this out, you want to take those months of, the meme push, that 3 months there that everybody's holding bags on. Some people made a lot of money. Most of us didn't. Like I've 3 plays I'm trailing, I fucking still cash out and wait for it to go up. That's that little section there. You got to take it out of the equation, okay? Because that's not correct data, okay? So Aaron, that makes sense. Yes, that does. That makes sense. So I'm going to put it back on here. So this is, I would stay the fuck away from this. Definitely 100%, not financial advice. But let's go to, let's use ADA, because I'm going to show you something, guys. Okay, this is what I look for. See that wave action? 1 hour candle. See that? Look at that. See the touch points right here? 1, 2, 3. Well, this one's really good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 touch points within a half a month. Or no, I'm on an hour. So yeah, from the 3rd to the 17th, 7 or 15th we'll go. 7 times you can make some good money. Okay, so that's what I do. I don't know. I've kind of taught myself a lot of this from using money. I've lost money, but not lots. Oh shit, I know. I should be very transparent with you guys. I did take a couple seminars with Warrior Trading, okay? And just watch, because his packets are up to thousands up, 20, 30, 40 grand if you want. You can fucking spend a lot of money there. Their online courses. What I would do is, while we're on this downtime waiting for this fire sale and all that stuff, guys, go in and get a stock simulator, okay? They give you, most of them give you $1 million, okay, to play with. This one has one. If you go down to here, I'll show you right now, guys. This is one right here. Most of them have it. No, that's not it. Paper trading. Here we go. So, paper trading, okay? This is a simulator, guys, and this is what you do. Just set this up on a separate computer if you want, or just make a different portfolio or user portfolio on your computer. So when you fire up your computer, you know how you have your profile, right? You can add a profile, make a totally separate fucking profile so it doesn't inflict it with your real stock. I'd put it on it, yeah. Excuse me, US, and then this is day trading. So I'm just gonna click on this. Hopefully it won't mess up my fucking shit. So here you guys go. I get rid of all this shit off of here, okay? And just put your screens up. Like, what do we got here? Your portfolio. Oh, it's using my own portfolio. Well, that's kind of neat. That's kind of neat. Okay, so, but paper trading account. So you got to log in, and then they give you money, okay? And then you find out your stocks. You use the screener, and then you build a portfolio. So say if you wanted to buy the SPY or whatever the fuck you do, and then you go into here, and you can buy them, okay? Like, it's the same as with the real money, the same way, okay? And then there's order books, all that shit, and you can keep track. There's tutorial videos on here how to do it. I've never actually done it on this one, but, or actually, no, I did, and I made money, but then I got bored of it, and don't give it a chance, man. Don't get bored of it and just jump into the open market. You, like I said before, 85 to 95%, even no, it's even more than that now. They've changed it. It's like 98% that the first time you'll lose all your money. First time traders will lose all their money, okay? Because you don't understand the basics, okay? So it's not good. It's not good. They recommend, well, what I was taught, and most people, what I like to tell people is a month minimum on this fucking thing before you go in the open market on day trading. I'm not talking about anything else. This is strictly day trading. Okay, so what you do is just log in to set up everything, and there you go. And you just get up in the morning, and you get on the news, Bloomberg, all those things, get a couple stations programmed, and you watch your fucking channels, okay? So what I mean by that is you go on there and you listen. Just say Tesla comes up. We're not, oh no, that's a bad one. No, that's in a squeeze. You don't want to use... You don't want to use something that's in a squeeze, right? So, excuse me. I'll put this back on the one chart here. And AMC and those, don't, you'll lose money on this shit, man. You can't use that. Because every time the news comes out good on this, the stock collapses. You don't want something that does a opposite. Okay? So, for instance, I'm just trying to think of something here. I know what it is. American Airlines. Okay? For instance. News comes out. All flights are open. Oh, fuck. Nobody needs vaccine. I'm just saying something that's not true. All flights are open. Everything's 50% off. You don't need your vaccination. Hits the news the fucking night before. That morning. Effective immediately. Stock market open. That fucking stock's gonna go, okay? So you know that. That's a catalyst, okay? That could potentially happen. So you look at it, and you look pre-market and see how many stocks, if they're fucking just cranking, and they're buying tons, and you see a whole bunch of movement in there, volume just giving her, and just get ready. You have those fucking orders ready, and hit it. As soon as market opens, fucking bang, bam, 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 bam. Buy. And then stick to the screen. I would have a couple different screeners set up. I'd have multiple screens for sure. I wouldn't just be using, I would have something for a backup, okay? Hardwire your shit down, man. Fuck. Actually, Wi-Fi is getting pretty good because they have that Wi-Fi 6, but I would definitely, I would try to hardwire it though. It's just better, right? you guys want to know more, or do you want? Is that good? Because I can tell you some other stuff. But that's what I go off the news and the volume. So I don't know. I don't know who's all interested in this day trading shit. Anyways, are you guys? I'm probably boring you guys, right? It's up to you guys. Because I don't want to talk to you guys about stuff if you don't, because if you're not interested, right? Because my interests are different than your guys' interests sometimes, right? So that's why I always ask you guys, right? I'm probably, because I know some of these channels just do broadcast, talk about whatever, and they don't ask their viewers, what do you guys want to watch? I just think it's more beneficial to you guys, because I'll talk about whatever the fuck you want me to talk about, pretty much. And if I know, yeah. Yo, what's up? DTU is in the house, man. I seen you on another channel and I was, Lord Kong, does that help? Oh, you guys are learning? Okay. I just want to ask, it was very quiet on the chat bar. Is that probably why? Because you guys are learning. So I would start out with that. Get a couple of main news channels programmed into a certain TV. Maybe you have a TV, you have a room to go to. If you have kids running around you and shit like that, it's not going to work, man. Kid comes up to you, hey dad, I broke my toy, and you look down and you're shit or whatever, the kid shits his diaper or something like that, and you're in the other room. No, it's not going to work for you. Okay, you can't. I can't. I'm not going to say you can't do that. It's not beneficial to you. Okay, you do not want distractions. Okay, like be focused. Even some people put on noise canceling headphones. Okay, and just where somebody can scream in the room and you can't hear. Okay, and just put some music on or something that you like. Some people fucking love thrash music on there. Keep them fucking awake and just fuck, right? And there's lots of ways to do it. So I'm just telling you guys where the areas I've had issues with. Not that this screwed me up, but I could see a potential where it could. Noise, definitely. And my dogs barking, that gets to me. That'll actually get me so I start yelling and freaking out. Because when I take it really serious, okay? Because if I lose even $10, it's only $10, but it's potentially thousands of dollars. Because that $10, if I make $10 that day, the next day I'm going to multiply it in. By the end of the month, it could be like 10 grand. Who knows, right? Out of $100. You just add one more decimal place, right? Or it could be $1,000, right? 1,000, and then the 10's the next one. Because it compounds. I don't know if you guys understand that. You guys, I know it's kind of hard to, if you haven't seen it. It's just that anything you lose a year ago, if you fast forward, could potentially be a game changer, right? Does that make good news channel? What I use is they're all different in Canada. I use the States ones. I mostly the ones that are in the States. Bloomingburg, I do put it on, but they really vague. Squawk Box. Do you guys have the Squawk? But do you know what Squawk Box is? The news version of Squawk, because I think there's two different ones. It is boring fucking shit, the news. I hate it, that type of stuff. I find it so fucking boring because most of it's stocks. And then you guys jump on the excuse me, and then you jump on the loser and gainer. You know how they have a list where losers and gainers on the stocks? Okay, you go on there and make sure you always hit your refresh button all the time, guys, because as you know, this thing stalls out, right? So I would hit my refresh button at least every 10 minutes when I'm doing data. If we're not doing that, then fuck, I don't care, because it makes a difference sometimes. Okay. There you go, man. Make sure that you're not on make sure, because most of the hotels have both. Make sure, my friend, that you can plug into the fucking internet. You don't want Wi-Fi, especially in a hotel room. fuck up. Somebody brings something in that fucking draws the bandwidth, right? Like an Android box or something that's pounding out 4K. That could screw you. Squawk Box, yeah. Yeah, Squawk Box. The news version of Squawk Box. I think there's a couple more different versions out there. There's Squawk Box, and then there's AM Stocks Live, I think. I don't know what... See, Canadians, they have different shit. But you kind of want to what are you investing in? Are you guys investing in the NASDAQ? Or are you investing in the Toronto Stock Exchange? Okay? You got to figure that out too. Are you playing with American money? Or are you playing with Canadian money? Or whatever the fuck you got, right? Because you can play with different country, okay? So, like, I personally don't play with American stocks that much. I have a bunch of them. Not really them. I have more Canadian. The reason why is because the fucking transferring it all around is a bit of a bitch. But in the long run, you make more money in the U.S. market, okay, on some of the stuff. U.S. stocks, it's kind of a hit and miss. It's easier for me to get the news here in Canada. I'm more educated with what our natural resources are, our minerals, our gases, the housing market, the lumber, any of that shit. And it's easier to judge. If something happens in the States, like a fucking big, like it wipes out, like a big tornado wipes out like fucking 3 states of stuff, I know the lumber prices are going to go through the roof, so I invest in lumber. Okay, that's for like a week or 2 week play. Okay, so I do watch some of that. I've been doing it lately because I'm pretty much locked down and focused just because of you guys, or else I wouldn't. If I didn't have the channel, I'd be freelancing all over the fucking place. So, but this keeps me grounded, and it is what it is. The reason why I'm liking this grounded thing is because I'm watching these 3 stocks that I have. I want to execute those orders. I want to fucking get out of that, but I want to pull those orders out, man. I want to get out of those 3 stocks. That money's tied up. That's the 20 grand that's tied up, right, man? I know it doesn't sound like much, 20 grand to you guys probably, but it's not that much, really. It's like, what, 6 months pay? Not even? Quarter pay? I don't know. It's not that much money. Anyways, it's Canadian money. You guys remember that? It's like 25% less than American, almost 30, whatever it's at today. But that money, I could potentially make hundreds of thousands of dollars off of. Does that make any sense to you guys? Right? So, or I could lose it. Right? It's not always win, 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 win. Okay? You can lose. The worst is to get fucking mad and just go fucking crazy and start it's panic buying is the worst to do. That's why I'm down. It's because I screwed up and panic. I doubled down on 2 of those and I messed myself up. And I was trained not to do that, right? But I lost my grip. My reality, right? I got fucking angry, really angry, because that was, the way the play went, I wasn't used to it. I wasn't used to this meme crush shit. I've never seen the market do that before, with this, after COVID, with this Reddit shit going on, and I've never seen it move like that before. That's new. And I know that all the other stock traders that are seasoned professionals, they got fucked on that too, okay? Maybe not every play. You have to remember, it's funny about YouTube and Twitter. You always hear the positives, okay? There's more negatives than positives. Trust me on that, okay? There's nobody that makes win, 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 win. It's fucking impossible, okay? They're not telling the truth, especially if they're putting out videos. One of the most professional traders in the world is Warrior Trading, Ross, okay? He will tell you his losses. And when he loses big, okay? But when he wins, fuck, he makes money, right? He is very, very transparent, and it's just that if you're gonna spend the 20 grand on the course, or like 5, there's different prices. Make sure you're dedicated to it, and just it's very, very dry, okay? It's very, very dry, okay? It's just that he's. Yeah, he kind of, but he's really good teacher, good at explaining it, right? It's just that it's just that you guys are a little bit more advanced than I would his starting. I'd go as second course because I've showed you guys a lot of stuff, right? Okay, guys, any other questions? Oh, Jay, tell me about it. Tell me about it. This play here, I could have probably made twice as much money on. I'm not bullshitting you. In the year that I've been fucking around with this thing, I could have made more money. I could have easily made what we're going to get on the squeeze. I could have easily fucking made that probably. I was on a roll, and I have a good system, but, oh, man, because I got so much shit tied up. Maybe not that, I'm just trying to think. No, maybe not that, because we don't know how much it's going to go to, right? But just put it this way, the fucking money machine still, the money generator would have been running. And I don't know, I can't speculate because you don't know what's going to happen, right? But the market stabilized back down to where I'm used to this shit, right? I'm used to these pump and dumps and shit. I stay the fuck out of these pump and dumps. I go the opposite way, man. After the loss, I'm coming to day trade. Holy fuck. You don't need that much, man. You don't need that much before. You were doing day trading before AMC? Lord Kong, you're trading 5. How the fuck can you even... dude, you must have like 6, 7 people helping you. There's no way you could just do that much money, man. Moving that around through offshore. Well, are you using offshore? Well, no, if you got that much money or not. You're not using offshore accounts, obviously. And you need to move those orders around, man. That's a lot, dude. You could end out with that. That could be the end product, but actually starting with that much money, you need to have a fucking office to do that, man. Like, you need like 3 people, 4 more than that. You need a whole fucking bunch of screens. Because I know what it entails, man. That's what I'm saying. Like, fuck. But like I said, that's why I do $500 or $5,000 increments. Okay. Like when I was doing the COVID pill and I was like doing like 20, 30 grand chunks, I was having problems. Okay. Trying to get the orders through. A lot of them were failing, undelivered and stuff. And I still made money on it. But the stress load and how mad I was, I'm pretty sure my blood pressure is through the fucking roof. I probably took a year or 2 off my life. I know my family didn't really care for me at that time. Okay. I was very edgy. So it is what it is. Okay. So anyways, guys, what else do you want to talk about? Because it's almost getting close to our time here. Market's fucked up again. Oh, Suncor Energy went up. 2.5%. How much did I make today? That's on $10. That's $2 on $100. That's $20 on $1,000. That's $200 on 100,000. That's 20 grand. I made 20 grand today? No, I didn't make 20 grand today on that. Fuck no. Just hang on. My brain's stupid. I'm usually good at figuring this out. You said that I'm just fucking not with it today. I usually use my calculator on my computer and just voice it. It's voice activated, but I can't with you guys on here because the mic fucks it all up. Okay, so $100,000. 100,000. 1, 2, 3. 100,000 times 2%. Times. We'll go 2%. $2,000 just on that 2%. Wow. Then taxes on that, but I'm not cashing it out, so it doesn't do any. That doesn't mean anything. I'm just saying what it could be. Yeah, it's irrelevant actually, but crazy. That would take me out to cash. Oh fuck, I'd never cash that out. But that would take me a long time to cash that out. That would take probably days. That would be a lot of shares, man. Fuck. Look at AMC, guys. This is fucked. Which I'm not. It is what it is. I'm just saying, like, look at this thing. They're just fucked. So it is. It's doing the same thing. There's our line right there. See? It's tapping off that fucking line. But that's not our line that we picked at the beginning of the week. So ours is actually, what was it, $20? I think, no, 23? 20, I forget. I tell you guys at the beginning of the week, I don't remember it now. Cam, you think that things still line to make a movie between this? Sorry, Jay. Okay, Cam, you think things still lying to make a move between Christmas and New Year's like our Sunday call? I don't understand what you're trying to ask me, Jay. Sorry, buddy. And New Year's? No. I don't need to blink. I can just say that, right? Because we're not talking numbers. It's just the numbers I can't talk about, man. But yeah, it's, or actually, no. Just hang on. I'll know better next week. Okay. Because yeah, it's too, like I said, you can't really. I take that back. I forgot it was. I'm a week ahead of myself. I forgot it was my birthday yesterday. Fuck, we're only halfway through the month. No, too early. You can't tell. Do you know what you guys can invent for me? Is there any inventors on here? You want to make yourself fucking more money than anything? Probably anything. More money than all of us? Probably. No, maybe not that much. You want to make yourself millions and millions of dollars within like fucking probably like 2 months? You guys need to come up with a way. A welder, you know, a welder has a hologram. Well, they're welding, has a hologram that you can look up, and you have a virtual screen in here. You can watch YouTube inside your welding helmet while you're welding, and you can watch TV in there. You can log the fucking thing on to Wi-Fi, so I can watch my stocks in there while I'm working welding. I was gonna come up with one that you, because you know when you're welding, you have your head focused. A lot of people get killed, like beams drop on them, fucking people run them over, fucked up shit, right? Because you're not paying attention to the job site around you, right? You would be surprised how many welders get killed because they're not, your head's down welding, right? If you could have a fucking camera, three, and you don't need the camera inside the fucking helmet. You can always use the satellite shit off of a satellite or a hub, is to keep track so you can see in your helmet on the upper thing. You don't need a big screen, just up there that you can see your peripheral vision around with a sensor on it, so you can tell within like 50 feet what's on around you. Fuck, that's worth a lot of money. I just made that up now. Fuck. I should have kept my mouth shut. Actually, I should have. Fuck. Christopher. That would actually be easy to make. And there would be no liability hardly on that at all. Google has glasses for that? What do you mean glasses? Where you can see behind? Yeah, I know that. I've seen those. Christopher, you know how much money you could make? I could market. Oh fuck, I could sell that easy, dude, easy. But it would be easy to do. It wouldn't cost that much money, really. Fuck, just use a piece of shit. Well, fucking welding helmet, you can buy a cheap one for $15. Okay, you'd buy like 4 of them because you'd be fucking around. Yeah, you just need a sensor. You rode the cart in Walmart? I always do that. I always do that. Fuck. That'd be easy to do too, man. Fuck, that I already figured it out. We need to talk, Christopher. Because I have all the knowledge of welding and stuff like that. I got that dealt with. Oh, fuck, we need to talk. Yeah, Jay, thanks for getting me off that, because my brain's just going, fuck, I already got it. I'll be working on that. I'll be calling the fucking, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it, guys. I guarantee within 6 months I'll have one built. So, anyways, next we're going to have a meet. I don't know about that one because it's Thursday today. Christopher, I kind of want to go on YouTube for a couple of our meetings, because I know we have our group, our family, but I like to help people, like that, what I'm saying, right? If they want it, right? So we have a lot to offer, our group, like a lot to offer. There's so much fucking crap information out there. The doesn't mean anything, right? It's just misleading. YouTubers are disappearing now that after they said they were going to help people. I'm not going to Al. There's a bunch of them. There's actually more than there's more than that. I was talking to somebody and I heard some other stuff from another channel that there's more. There's like 3 or 4 that just disappeared like last week, and there's going to be more happening. Okay, there's going to be more, and I have a reason. I know why, but I can't talk about it on YouTube. I'll tell you guys on the private network what's going on with these guys. They got themselves in a little bit of shit. So, and I warned. That's why I don't do certain shit on my channel, right? And I'm not saying we're safe either, because we do talk about shit that's on it's called skirting. I skirt the edge of the law so fucking close with some of the stuff we talk about, but it is what it is, right? You guys got to know that. So anyways, I would like to go live. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a notification out there, guys. We're going to go live Saturday, okay? Sunday, I can't because I got to get ready. We're going to go Saturday, but we're going to do it in the, about 9 o'clock. What is 8, 9 o'clock in the morning? We'll go for an hour. 8, 9 o'clock in the morning, my time. I'll let you guys pick it. What time's better for you? We're going to do it this way. We have to. I would like to do this twice before Christmas. We're going to do our private, yes, with our VP room, yes. But the thing is I know there's a lot of people out there that are displacent. And what I mean displacent is that they're confused and they don't know what to do. And they don't know what to do. They're sitting there stressing and because they do all the shares and they don't understand because these people have told them stuff and told them they were going to help them, and now they're fucking gone. And they're left, like, fucked. And all the information, most of the information they were telling was bullshit anyways, okay? So, as my job, as in what I stand by, and what I always want to never change when I got to where this is, I never knew it was going to be like this, but when it did start going, I was thinking, oh shit, I got to recalibrate and rethink this, and what do I want for the end product? All I want for the end product is to stay the same, not to let this change me, okay? So I have to continue giving, okay? And I'm not a teacher or educating. Guiding is different, okay? Guidance, okay? And then there's no legality to it. But no, I don't. You guys might say I'm teaching, but it is what it is. I'm just talking, and if you grab something out of it, it is what it is, right? So I would like to. Well, we're gonna do it. I'm calling it. We're doing it. So yeah, guys. And then Christopher can call the meetings during the week. That's nothing to do with me. He can call, and Sanjay, that's the moderator stuff. I'll be there. I can stop in. Might not be there for the whole meetings and stuff. That's kind of their little thing, right? I'm just the co-host. Christopher runs. That's Christopher's gig, right? So I'll show up for sure, right? I'm not abandoning you guys. It's just that some of the stuff, you guys don't need me there, right? You guys just talk. You guys and then you don't need me there listening and watching, and you guys can do whatever the fuck you want, right? It's kind of like having I wouldn't say your boss, but you know, when your boss is on the job site, you fucking got to watch what you're doing. When I'm not there, do whatever the fuck you want, right? I'm just saying you guys have probably more fun when I'm not there, right? That's all I'm saying. So, yeah, I feel like I got to do this. I was thinking about this a little while, and it's, I just want to do this before Christmas and after, and then we'll do it twice a month and give the chance, and we'll put the videos out there, but we're not going to always do this out. And it's not recruiting, because I don't care if anybody joins, really. I've always been like that, right? It is what it is. People will find us that want it, okay? And I've always believed that, and it's happened 1,000-fold, right? I've never ever would put a, can you please join the channel, please? I want to hit this many subs by this month. We're having this promotion, I'm not going to beg people, right? If you want the guidance, it is what it is. It's there, right? If you don't, it is what it is. Nobody gets hurt, right? It's just a troll-free zone environment. No GA, no goof action zone, right? You can come and hang out and do whatever you want, right? So, guys, what do you think about that? And then, yes, Christopher can set up a WebEx meeting. You guys can do it Sunday or whatever, or Monday while I'm at work, right? I'm going to work. Like, the hours are switching, so you guys can do your meetings afterwards every day if you want. Excuse me. I'm just waiting for you guys to answer me. I always run it by you guys, right, on stuff. And but I just would like it a little bit not too early, but because people like to sleep in on weekends, which I know I do if I'm working. But yeah, I'm not taking away from you guys' VIP stuff, not at all. It's just that I'm actually putting more work on ourselves. But it is what it is. It's this time where people need us. They need the companionship as friends and stuff, and actually. There's too much of this troll bullshit going on there, right? There's nowhere to run and escape for a bit just to take a breath and just relax and regroup and get some fucking guidance, right? Correct guidance, as most as we can give, factual information, not all this misleading bullshit, okay? Because just think about how you guys were before you came into the group, right? Just think about how you felt. Because I know how you felt, right? That's why I started doing this, because I felt the same way you guys were. You feel more calm. You have protocols in place. You have systems like screen recorders, all that kind of little things like that. Fail safes. That's what they're called, fail safes, right? What I'm gonna do is, if it squeezes, I'm gonna be taking a couple days off. Like I said, I'm not going to be here. Like I said, the squeeze could potentially last 2 to 3 weeks. It's just that there's going to be a zone, right? I'm not going to be sitting there for that taper down forever. Like, that's crazy, because there's going to be people holding the bag for infinite, right? We know that. But when it yeah, I'm going to be here. Yes, I'm going to be here. I'll be here. I say it's going to be about three and a half days. I'll be done. I'll probably be done. I don't know. I have to see the screen. But like I said, the Volkswagen squeeze is only a week, right? A week and a bit. But so it is what it is, right? I'm going to be very, very leery of being in longer, and I'm just going to be watching those numbers, because the longer it is, the more chance you have losing your fucking money. Okay? Because what if we get halted for fucking 30 days a year, right? It is what it is. Like, you got to remember that it's it is what it is. The longer it goes, the more issues they're going to have. More lawsuits are going to be filed and shit. Do we have to watch the stream? I haven't ever been in the back office. Ah! Yeah, no kidding, Aaron. No kidding. Okay, Cam, you're going to get volunteers for all kinds of stuff if you're not there. No, I'll be there, buddy. I'll be there. But I said I'm not gonna sit there and at the end, after I've been talking about this for like a fucking year, and put all these systems in where people are still holding to these hundreds of thousands and fucking dollars, and then they come on and they're, oh man, and start freaking out and all this shit when they should have fucking sold like fucking days ago, right? I'm not going there, right? So. You guys will be fine, okay? I'll be here. We'll all be talking. We got a private network we're going to be on, okay? You have problems, then we're going to be talking live. I'll try to help you, and people will help you, right? You have to remember, like, I'm totally different country, but like, it is what it is. But that's why we have people in the States. It'll all work out. The systems are different, but we can make it work. I'm not worried about it all. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap this probably in like I'm gonna give you guys another 5-6 minutes here. So so what we're gonna do is, Christopher's not here, obviously. Oh, he might be working on some computer stuff. So what I'll do is Saturday is my day for the time for the channel. If you guys show up, you show up. If you don't, if you got things to do, it's all good. It's all good, man. I don't do like hi, Proud. How you doing, girl? Yeah, just if you're busy, you're busy. That's why I don't want to do it too early in the morning. I want to give a chance for you guys to wake up and shit and do your stuff, right? Buy crypto 3 days after the squeeze. Ha, Sanjay, yeah. That's awesome. Oh, and my dividend plays and stuff, guys. Yeah, there's the dividend plays and stuff like that. gonna be doing a video on it. You guys are kind of on your own on that, okay? You guys know what to do, right? I've been showing you guys. I'm gonna have the list. I'll give you the list of the. You'll already have your stocks. It's not like you're looking for stocks. Then you just go and buy, right? It's you just go buy. You guys know when they're getting a deal or not, man. You're on this fucking retard stock, this AMC, and I never want to hear the word AMC again after this. I'm just joking, but yeah, you guys will be good now. And you have to remember, I can always go live at work on lunch hours, right after the squeeze, if you guys need a hand. What time Saturday? I was thinking about let's do 8 o'clock, 8 Pacific time. I don't know what that is. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That'd almost be lunch hour Eastern time. Close to it, right? Or do you guys want to go earlier? Do you want to go 7 Pacific time or 8 Pacific time? I'll leave that up to you guys. What do you want to do? No, let's do 8, because that's too close to our time right now. 8 o'clock. I'll put that right there. 8 o'clock Saturday. Put it over here. Too many screens, guys. Is that okay with you guys? We'll do 8 o'clock. You guys are good like that, eh? It's a little bit harder for me to type on this one. Fuck. Especially when I'm retarded. A.m. So my friends, yeah, it's only Thursday today. What I will do is I'll rebroadcast this tomorrow. Actually, excuse me. What I will do is I will make a YouTube short video, and I'll put it out there. Okay, so I'll do a YouTube short video and advertisement on it, okay, for us. Yeah, it'll be like a fucking 50 second video. It won't be much. I have to keep it under a minute for a short anyways. Yeah, there you guys go. So yeah, I just wanted to do this just because we are getting into the season here, and it's a family run channel. So like our brotherhood here, our sisterhood, right? So I want to keep it like that. Right? So that's what the channel was built for, and we're gonna keep it like that. Christy Smith. No way. Christy Smith. Is it Christy Smith, my ex Christy Smith? My high school sweetheart? Yeah, right. It can't be. Bet you it is too. Anyways, how you doing, Christy? Spying on me? So, anyways, guys, I do want to. Aaron's going off about this squeeze thing going on here. That's hilarious. So, anyways, squeeze play. Which one was it? Which one was it again? Which one was that? ADGI. ADGI. ADGI? The fuck are you on now? Holy fuck. Yeah, not a problem. Not a problem. Gloria, you have a great day there, lady. Chop chop, Luna. Oh yeah. Your video. Yes, guys. I would love it if you put out a video. I'm gonna do it right now. There you go, brother. It's on the stock screener. Holy fuck, up 125%. Look at that. Woo! That's pretty good. Holy fuck. From $6 up to, holy shit. Look at that. That's a retail fucking push too. What, is there news or something on this? What happened here? News. 38 minutes ago. 38 minutes ago, my friends. Mid-morning update here. The largest number of coronaviruses and deaths in the world. This thing reports the fucking data. And after that, it came out an hour ago. Look at that. That's what I'm telling you guys. Watch the news. There you go. I'm saying for the swing trading, watch the news. And you can make yourself hundreds of thousands of dollars, man, over a certain time. You can make like fucking do 2-3 plays a day. There you go. That just finalized what I was talking about. Okay, guys. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Okay, chart on. Thank you, Aaron, for bringing that up, my friend. It's too late to jump on that now. You know that, right? Unless you're giving money away. You're just going to throw your money away, man, if you fucking... It's up to you, whatever you want to do, man. I'm just saying it might have a dip and might have another rip, but it's already... I think it's already done its thing. You never know. What time is it? 8? Yeah. I just think 10 o'clock, all the fucking swing traders are going to be pulling their stuff out. Around 10, 11, right? Okay, my friends, tell me about the story that fucking never ends, which is AMC. What is AMC anyways? Okay, we'll put it on the chart. I'm closing out. Okay, guys, see you later. Love you, Wolfpack. Peace.